Cornell University's Systems Engineering Distance Learning program is attracting attention from students and companies around the globe. But one of our favorite questions to answer is, why Cornell? Hi, my name is David Schneider. I'm one of the faculty of the Systems Engineering program at Cornell University. Being an online degree program that offers the same fully accredited Ivy League degree that our on-campus students earn is one of the many reasons why Cornell Engineering is one of the top-ranked programs in the world.
We are a research university that has a very strong undergraduate teaching program. So our strengths are both in research and in teaching.
This program actually started with, there was some interest in the college in doing this, but the real driver came from outside. Several different industries came to us and told us that people were not teaching systems engineering. They needed people who could do this kind of a thing. And they came to us and asked us to do that. And we have been maintaining close connections with these people in industry ever since.
The program we have in systems engineering consists of a set of courses that have been constructed to allow the student to have both a range of technical skills that will be useful to them as a systems engineer in their own company, as well as a breadth of experience in working with other people, with familiarity with other topics. And so all of that, I think, gives them a background, an experience that allows them to be effective at seeing the opportunity for systems thinking and how to address system sorts of issues that will arise in their own companies and their own workplace.
I teach a course in project management, I teach about creativity, and these are woven into the everyday fabric of this program in a way that sends a clear message to engineers that the way you increase your effectiveness in doing the technical side of the job is paying attention to the human dimension.
One element of our program is that we take faculty from electrical engineering, from mechanical engineering, from civil, from operations research, and they teach within the college systems program. And that lets us teach systems engineering across application areas with real depth in a variety of application areas. And that's not common across other programs in systems engineering.
Here at Cornell, and based on the communication with our advisory council and also with our industry partners, and we realized the importance of the Six Sigma, and also we are implementing the certification of Six Sigma Black Belt as well as Green Belt in the programs based on our courses as well as a Six Sigma Black Belt project.
We're teaching people how to put together systems made out of the best disciplinary parts. In other words, the people we're working with and the people who are teaching in this have the experience in all kinds of areas, and then we're working on teaching you how to put these strong areas together to make strong systems.
The impetus from the beginning was to design a practical Master of Engineering program focused on systems engineering, and we always had in mind the working professional for this degree program, even though we designed it initially for an on-campus audience.
We've really worked hard, and in fact painstakingly, to create a distance learning program that is the equivalent. It is not a poor cousin to the on-campus. It is a true Cornell engineering degree. And I think that's critical that more and more of these options become available because the life cycle of technology is so short. And we need to update our skills on a very regular basis, and there needs to be effective mechanisms to do that. And distance learning is really it's really fundamentally the only mechanism to do that.
The cooperation between Lockheed and Cornell is great, so we can get out of work during the day and go up to class, and they're trying to do as many distance classes as possible. So we can also just run to a meeting room for an hour or so during the day.
As a distance learning student, you are as close to being on campus as you can be. You're held to the same standards, you're held to the same pace of learning.
Well, a lot of effort has gone into trying to think about what would be useful for someone interested in pursuing a career in systems engineering in terms of the technical skills that they'll need and the interpersonal skills. And so we've tried to package a program that they can complete in 2 or 3 years that will give them a degree that shows that they've completed that challenge, and also gives them the skills, both technical and interpersonal, that will allow them to be effective in using those skills in their own work environment.
They're courses that are designed to help engineers to realize that engineering isn't a solitary profession. It's not done in a small cubicle all by yourself. It's not done just simply through the analysis of physical phenomena. It's done through interactions with other people. We solve complex problems because we bring people together, multidisciplinary groups of people together, and we try to create, if you will, a collective intelligence in those groups of people so that they are actually able to effectively address very difficult problems, very difficult systemic problems, system problems.
So I think if you're looking for an educational program which really focuses on how do you think across systems, how do you think about how disciplines come together to create effective products, effective systems, if your real interest is sort of the modeling side of everything, we're a very strong program for that sort of student.
This video is just a glimpse of what this program can offer you. For more information, please contact our admissions office, as we'd love to tell you more about this prestigious program. So no matter where in the world you might be, we're excited to offer you this opportunity to enhance your career with the Cornell Systems Engineering Distance Learning Program.